Today I'm going to show you how to clean your Magcubic L018 projector, using two different methods, plus give you some tips on how to make your L018 as dust-proof as possible. Dust on the LCD causes two major problems. 1. You'll see dust spots clearly on the screen. 2. The brightness slightly reduces because the dust blocks the light. So let's jump right into it, and welcome back to Aurabox 360. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. As you can see here, when I tilt the projector, the dust on the LCD actually moves with it. This is most visible on a full white screen. Tip: you can get an almost full white screen from the online upgrade page, or just use a white wallpaper or a white test video on YouTube. I've also added sponge dust filters around the air intakes, which I'll remove during disassembly and show you clearly. These are the tools you'll need. If you don't have a microfiber cloth, a soft cotton cloth will work too. Method 1. Cotton earbud cleaning, easy method. First, remove the back cover. Flip the projector over. There's a small screw right here. Remove that screw and take off the cover. Now switch on the projector and display a full white screen. You'll see the LCD sits right in the middle, giving us access from both sides. Take a cotton earbud and gently slide it into one side. As you can see, you can move the earbud around to lift the dust off the LCD. Be gentle, no rush, take your time. Tip: if you want to reach deeper, attach the earbud to a thin screwdriver or stick. Once you're done, put the cover and screw back in. And check the screen again. In my case, the dust buildup is pretty heavy, so I'll need to fully disassemble the projector. Switch off the projector, unplug the power cord, and remove the back cover again if you haven't already. Remove these 4 screws, plus the back cover screw, for a total of 5 screws. Start lifting the top cover from this side, using a plastic card or flat tool. As you can see, mine is a bit damaged because I've opened it multiple times. The first time will feel tough, the plastic clips are strong. Pull gently but firmly. Important: the power button ribbon cable is attached inside, so don't yank the cover off. Take your time and lift it slowly. Detach the power button ribbon cable by lifting the small locking clip. And now the top cover is off. Inside you'll see the lens, speaker, processor and exhaust vent. Next, remove the plastic cover that holds the LCD. You'll notice I added sponge filters earlier to block dust. There are 3 screws holding this plastic piece, 1 in the middle and 2 on the sides. Take it out. You'll see the air intake opening here. This is where cool air pulls dust in directly toward the LCD. Now detach the LCD ribbon cable. It's lightly stuck to the tape. Peel it gently. Lift the tiny clip to release the cable, and the ribbon will come out. Now gently pull the LCD panel out. As you can see, the dust buildup here is really heavy. My room gets dusty fast, that's the main cause. Use a microfiber cloth and gently wipe the LCD. Note: sometimes there are scratches on the LCD. Even mine has some. Don't panic, this is normal. Clean it thoroughly until it's dust-free. Put the LCD back in, facing the correct direction. Insert the ribbon cable. Make sure the white alignment line is perfectly positioned. Hold the ribbon in place and push the tiny black clip to lock it. Before sealing everything, plug in the projector and test using a white screen again. I highly recommend putting the top cover back temporarily so you don't accidentally touch any internal components. They can get very hot, and there's also a risk of electrical shock. If everything looks clean, it's time to reassemble completely. Tape the ribbon cable back onto the original spot. Now reinstall the plastic LCD cover. If you want to make it dust-proof, cut a thin sponge filter into a long rectangular strip and place it over the air intake area. Secure it using strong tape or glue on the edges. Set the plastic LCD cover back in place and ensure it's seated properly and securely. Reinstall the 3 screws. Next, reconnect the blue power button ribbon cable and lock it. Place the top cover back. Align it properly so the edges slide into place. And press around the frame to lock it securely. Tighten all 5 screws. Now add your sponge filters to the air intakes. 2 on the left side, 1 on the bottom intake. Just a quick note: if you seal the projector too tightly with dust filters, the airflow will be restricted and the projector may switch to eco mode after a while. So make sure to use thin, lightweight sponge filters to keep the air intake smooth. Important: do not cover the exhaust fan on the right side. This will overheat the projector. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, or your own tips, drop a comment. I reply to everyone as soon as I can. Hit that like button and subscribe for more content every week. Good luck with your cleaning, and cheers!